56% of IT leaders say inefficiencies still cripple procurement teams. Think about that. More than half of organizations struggle to buy and manage technology the right way. As Brian Leija, co-founder of Infotech Solutions, puts it, process is the invisible framework that keeps procurement focused, consistent, and accountable to real business needs. When that framework is missing, small mistakes turn into costly setbacks that stall projects, drain budgets, and erode trust. IT procurement isn't just about buying laptops or renewing licenses. It's about making smart, strategic decisions that align technology with business goals. When done right, it drives cost control, scalability, and compliance. When done wrong, it leads to chaos, redundant software, shadow IT, and disconnected systems that quietly bleed time and money. A strong procurement process starts with understanding what the business truly needs, reviewing your current tech stack, and analyzing whether to build or buy. It means researching vendors thoroughly, negotiating smart contracts, and keeping track of performance long after the ink dries. Modern procurement is data-driven, automated, and collaborative, bringing IT, finance, and operations together to make every dollar count. Want to know how to build a smarter, structured procurement process that actually boosts ROI and cuts risk? Read the full article on our website, and don't forget to add this episode to your playlist.